Hello, welcome to Bars and Bells. My name's Lauren, and here with Ian, we will be using a 2.5-minute routine to add strength and conditioning to your kettlebell workout. Build your endurance and follow along with this video series as we look to achieve 50 kettlebell swings in 2.5 minutes. This video will get us one step closer. We will be performing starting with 6 reps every 30 seconds for 2.5 minutes. But each 30 seconds we'll be adding 1 rep to get to 10 by the end of our 2.5 minutes. Ready?
Yep.
Let's begin.
Okay.
To your bell. First, setting up your swing stance, getting nice and comfortable. Round 1, 6 swings. Get ready. In 3, 2, 6 swings. And then park the bell. Stand up, shake it out, nice and loose. Preparing for round 2 with 7 swings. Try to keep your breath nice and controlled, in and out through your nose. Get your stance, 3, 2, 7 swings. Bell goes down. Shake it out. Each time this rest is going to get a little shorter as we add that rep. Keep the breath controlled. 5 more seconds. 8 swings. 3, 2, 8. Park. Shaking it out. Little less rest. Keep that grip loose in between sets. Slowing the breath. 9 swings here. 4, 3, 2, 9. Shaking it out, not going too far, least amount of rest here. Last set, 10 swings. 3, 2, 10. Park the bell, shake it off, and just catch your breath for about 10 seconds. In and out through the nose, breathing and filling that belly, trying to slow your breathing down. A little more time. That was great. 2.5 minutes of work, working towards those 50 swings. A couple more reps to go. Follow us in video 5 when you're ready to do 50 swings in 2.5 minutes. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you soon.